Hello, welcome to my little space here on YouTube. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a drop-down menu just like this in WordPress. If you're excited, let's get the tutorial started. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to your WordPress dashboard, and to your left, you see this panel. Go to Appearance and then go to Menus. After you land on this page, make sure to your right you can see your pages or your menus here. Now let's say you want to make these three menus a drop down to this. What you do is you hold it and drag it to the right. You do the same thing to the other menu, just like this, in that order. After that, you click on Save Menu. And your primary menu updated. So when you now go back to your website and reload the page, you see them as three menus in the drop down. Alright, I hope this video has been informative. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.